Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel A to Z Psychology with Obian Chideze. So we are having a course in our hand and I'm going to discuss everything we needed in this course, Advanced Psychobiology. This is a final year course and we are going deep into it now. Advanced Psychobiology is a psychology 401. Yeah, so we will look at it very quickly, the overview to this course, everything you need to know for this course. We are going to discuss it here now. So this course is Advanced Psychobiology. And as a final year student, you remember what we talked about, the biomedical model of psychobiology, right? So we are not interested in all of them. Remember, we highlighted 5 factors as reasons for psychological disorders, right? But we said genetic factors, neurochemical imbalances, brain abnormality, neuroplasticity, and hormonal imbalances as reasons for psychopathology. But in this course is not interested in genetic or brain abnormality or any other thing, but the biochemical explanations to psychological disorders. It will be a very interesting course, and please flow with me. A lot of my students have problem with this biology, but if you could just flow easily with this, everything we're going to talk about in this course, you'll find it very easy. The course is very easy, one of the easiest courses you'll meet in this final year. So first we'll talk about a little about what is a cell, the 2 types of cell. Yeah, just for that intro. Then the major thing we need to know for the exam is what happens between two neurons, right? And what happens within a particular neuron. That's when we are talking about between neuron transmissions and within neuron transmissions. Please don't bother about the terminologies. When we get there, quickly you will understand that they are very simple. Yeah, so that is 2. Then another topic we'll talk about that is also as important as any other topic we're talking about here is the neurotransmitter system. What is neurotransmitter? What are the types or categories of neurotransmitters? And again, importantly, what those neurotransmitters we are talking about, what are their receptor subtypes? The receptor subtypes or receptor cells of those neurotransmitters, they are topics we must review and we must take very important. Now, like I said in this course, majorly, how do these chemicals, these neurotransmitters in the brain, we say neurochemical imbalances. So these neurobrain chemicals, those liquids in the brain, how do they result to several psychological disorders we have? How do they explain reason for some psychological disorder? Like in this course is interested in some major neurotransmitters and also interested in some major psychological disorders, and we are going to review them. Schizophrenia, a little review as we have done in 3rd year, depression, a little review, and anxiety, these 3. And in each of them, after giving a little review on all of them, we may not be interested in all those DSM-5 whatever, but we are going to be talking about which neurochemical, which neurotransmitter is implicated or responsible for this. Research has shown all of these things, and we're going to be reviewing them. And in each, we are reviewing against any psychological disorder like schizophrenia, depression, anxiety. We are also going to be talking about the receptor subtype and what happens and how does it lead to that particular psychological disorder as regard to these 3. So this is the size of this course. If you are good with what we just talked about now, I bet you should be ready for the exam 90% or 95%. So the next video, we are going to go straight and start with what is a cell and everything. And I've seen in some of my videos, I've seen a lot of things that people are having. In one video I'm having a like 40 views already, but trust me guys, we are less than half of that in subscription. Yes, and it's hurting actually. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, endeavor to subscribe, and I'll be glad for that. Thank you, and see you in the next video.